Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. It is Thursday, May the 30th, 2024. This is a new acquisition that I scored just today. This is an old wall mount rotary telephone that I picked up when I was helping a family member with some work today. We were picking up some old stuff out of an old warehouse, and I was helping a family member move them to our store for donation, and I came across this thing, an old rotary telephone. This is the first video that I've done of a phone, and came with the original papers here. I guess this is the manual and whatnot. Even came with this teleservice. Just pause the video to look at these. Get to those here in a minute. Came in this box here. Sure that I don't think that it's the original box, but go ahead and pull this thing out of the box here to where you can have a closer look at it. Okay, here it is. Pretty cool looking phone. Looks to be in decent shape too. Has the rotary dial. Seems like it's still functional. Has an area code on it right there. There's the mount for hanging up the phone and whatnot. There's 0 there for operator, which I am not exactly for sure if that is still an ongoing thing anymore. Phone is a dark brown color, and oh, my bad. See a few scuffs, a few dings here and there. Other than that, really don't see any cracks or anything. Nothing's broken or missing. Here's the back of it. This is a wall mount too, by the way. Okay, so I guess this is an information tag. Complies with Part 68 FCC rules. Model number is TSC-SLR Texas. FC registration number. And I do believe that is the date. So this dates back to 1983. And I would assume so. I'm certain that this would be an well over 40-year-old telephone. Did some research on this before I started the video, and not a whole lot of tutorials that I have found of old rotary dial telephones. A few here and there, particularly just quick demos and whatnot, but nothing giving a review or anything like that. So I kind of figured that was the quickest way to look up some information on this. But I have found other telephones like this, but like in a different color. And I am assuming that these were made by the Western Electric Company. And Jordan, if you ever see this video, please reach out to me, because I know that you're very informative on these things. But anyway, I remember seeing a lot of these growing up. I even remember my parents having a few of these in the house growing up, both my parents and grandparents. And so I was very excited that I found this. Didn't come with the cord on, obviously. Not exactly sure what this is. And I think that is the jack where the line would go in. This came with it. This was probably the only thing that came with it other than these down here. I'll go ahead and I'll just show these to you. Warranty registration card. So this came with FCC regulations. I don't think this was the manufacturer of this phone. Let's see if we can get this open to where we can have a better look at it. Very few of these phones are still being in use today. And not that they're getting harder to find, if I'd known any better. Just like everything else, they're out there. They're just if you see them on places like eBay or Marketplace, they're at a decently good price. Teleservice division of RG Communication Incorporated. Hopefully you got all of that. These are the cords that come with it. Fortunately, I do not have... I'll have to find a cord to where I can test this with to see if it'll still work. And I did find a few videos of this, and they're still functional. So glad that I came across this thing when I did, because these are definitely good for collecting. So pretty cool. Well, I guess that'll pretty much do it for this video here. I'm reaching out to those to give me any information on this phone, where it was made, what particular year, and maybe I can find a cord for this to see if I can get it to work. And I'm very happy that I found it. Well, thank you all for watching the video, and that'll do it for now. And there shall be, maybe I can get another video of this. Have a good one.